I've been studying David R. Hawkins' technique of letting go for quite some time now, and it has really benefited my life and helped me easily to let go of negative emotions and negative feelings. What is this letting go technique? It feels like a weight being lifted off of you, but how do we actually start practicing this and doing this on a daily basis? The first thing that you want to do is to tune into your body. And I kind of like to look down at my body and see if I'm feeling any heavy sensations anywhere. I normally get it around my chest and in my stomach. And I just allow myself to feel into that feeling. So the next step is just feeling that sensation. And don't try to attach thoughts to it or a story or labels to, oh, it was that event and this is bringing up all these thoughts and yada 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 yada. Don't allow your mind to get involved. Just focus on feeling into that feeling, letting it be felt and seen and heard. But really feeling into that sensation, that heaviness within your body. And as you do that, you can feel it begins to dissipate, even if it's just a little. And then you begin to feel lighter, almost even like happiness, like a relief, like a wave of relief has come over kind of your body in that area. That's how I've been usually feeling it. It's like I tap into that feeling and sensation for as long as I need to, and then that feeling kind of starts to feel lighter. A lot of the times throughout our day, we're rushing, we're on to the next thing, scrolling on the phones, getting out of our body. It's like we don't take the time to really tune in to what's going on within our body and feeling into those negative feelings. And so you might have some resistance to doing this at first. I even was like, okay, like I almost got like bored, because I didn't want to feel into the feeling. I didn't want to take the time to feel into that feeling. And so I was like reaching for my phone. I was like, well, I know what you're doing there. You're trying to get out of it. You're trying to not feel the feeling. So I had to remind myself to come back to the feeling and to feel it and to just be there, to be in the now and allow myself to feel it. And don't put expectation on it, right? Don't be like, you need to go away. Like, this negative feeling in me needs to go away right now. Like, don't have any expectations. That's what the surrender part is about. It's letting go of the need for it to disappear or anything to happen or whatever. But just to surrender it and allow yourself to feel into that and just be with it. Hold it, love it. Send it love. It is the feeling that is painful. It's not the thoughts that are causing the pain, right? It's the feeling that's causing the pain. And so when we're able to let go of those thoughts and the stories that we're attaching to that pain and just allow it and feel into it, it begins to dissipate. And the more that you practice this again and again and surrendering and not getting attached to the outcome, like, oh, this needs to go away. Sometimes, especially with things from your past, it can take a long time to really go away, but it just means that there's more of that feeling that needs to be surrendered and let go of and felt within your body. And it's like when you're feeling into it, it's releasing that old energy from your nervous system. Because they say that the body keeps the score, right? And so when we allow ourselves to feel those feelings and to surrender them and let them go, and we continually do that, eventually you'll realize that you're not feeling that sensation anymore. You're feeling a lot more lighter, a lot more happier, a lot more joyful. And sometimes, because it's like we're so unaware of it, it's like other people in our reality begin to tell us, like, wow, you seem so happy, you seem so joyful. All of a sudden, like, wow, that's amazing. Like they'll mirror that back to you, and sometimes you might not even notice it. But Dr. Hawkins says that when we do this consistently and we finally keep doing it, surrendering and letting go, we almost forget the thing that happened or that initial event that caused that negative emotion. It just kind of disappears itself and it's out of our consciousness. And I have personally witnessed this in my own life. Things that I kind of thought I could never even imagine getting over were it doesn't even exist anymore. It's like it didn't even happen to me. It feels like it happened to somebody else. I'm a whole different being. Through practicing this technique, I have released a lot of stored and repressed negative emotions that I was just pushing down and down within me for years. And with practicing this technique of letting go, I feel so much lighter in my life, and the people in my reality have mirrored that back to me, that wow, you seem like so much more joyful, so much more happier, and just free and just light and just wow, like something really happened, right? Something shifted. But it was me continually going within me and feeling those negative feelings and surrendering them and letting them go. So let's try this technique together, all right? So I want you to take a deep breath and look down at your body and feel where you might feel any heaviness or sensations in your body. And sometimes for me, I like to just take some deep breaths and just imagine that energy going out on my out breath. So let's take 3 deep breaths and imagine that energy, that old stored energy of that negative emotion just flowing out of you. So I was feeling a very heavy sensation when I started in my chest. And as I began to take those breaths, I could literally feel it start releasing and releasing and releasing. Stay feeling that feeling as long as you need to. Really allow yourself to feel into that feeling and really surrender it. Give yourself the time that your body needs to feel into that and let it go. And the more that you practice this, the easier it gets, and the more changes you'll begin to notice with tuning into your own body and releasing those negative feelings. And you can literally feel the new energy pouring in, the emotions of joy and happiness, and just like a weight has been lifted from you. Go ahead and try this technique out and let me know if you feel lighter after trying it. And don't get discouraged if you don't get it. It seems like something so simple. We often overlook how easy it is, but it's something that it's free, right? Like you can do this technique and you don't need anything external. It's something that's within you, and you can do it anywhere and at any time. And the more that you continue to practice it, the more that you'll begin to realize a shift in your energy. It has really helped me stay in a high vibration, which has allowed me to stay in alignment with joy and fun and play. Don't get discouraged if it doesn't happen for you right away. Don't get attached to the outcome, right? Surrender and let it go, and just trust that over time you'll begin to notice the difference.